next, because we are going to use the determinant of the matrix to find the inverse of the matrix. Then we are going to use, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Then we can just go direct. If you take these three, then we are going to open brackets and take these four numbers as 1, 3, 4, 1. Then we can take minus 2 here. Then we open brackets. We cannot take any number in this row. We take 3 and 3. 3, 3, 1, 1. Then we open brackets. We take plus 4. Plus 4, we open brackets. We cannot take any number in this row. We are going to use this number 3, 1, 1, 4. Then we can have 3 into 1 times 1. We have 1 minus 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 2 open brackets. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 3 times 1 is 3. Then we have plus 4. Plus 4 open brackets. 4 times 3 here is 12. Minus 1 times 1 is 1. Then the determinants that A is equals to, we have 3 open brackets. 1 minus 12 minus 11. Minus 2 into 0. Plus 4 into 11. We have 3 times minus 33. Minus 0 plus 4 times 11. We have 44. Then we can subtract minus 33 plus 44. This is equals to 11. Then after we find our determinant as 11, then we can use the matrix again to find the inverse. Let's rewrite this number. We have 3, 3, 1. We have 2, 1, 4, 4, 3, 1. We can use the rule of Saros where it says we can add S2 column. We can add S2 column here. We have 2, 3. We have 3, 3, 1. We can repeat this 1. We have 2, 1, 4. Also, after we repeat the first 2 column, we can repeat the first 2 row by saying we have 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. We can repeat the second row as 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. Then if you look at the matrix, we can take the 4 by 4 matrix as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the matrix. Then we can multiply 1 times 1 minus 4 times 3. Then we can find the adjoint of the matrix A. The adjoint of matrix A is equals to, then we open brackets. Any number we find in the rows, then we can put as the column of the adjoint of the matrix A. Then for us to find the adjoint, we can multiply 1 times 1 minus 4 times 3 is 12. Then 1 minus 12 here we have minus 11. Then we can have 3 times 1 here is 3. Minus 3 times 3 here is 0. Then we have 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 1 here we have 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. Then we can go with the second line. We have 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 2 2 times 2 here is 16 minus 2. Here we have 14. Then we have the next one. We have 1 times 3. We have 1 times 3 minus 4 times 1. Here we have minus 1. Then again we have 1 times 2 minus 4 times 3. 2 minus 12 we have minus 10. This is minus 10. Then 2 times 3 minus 1 times 4. 6 minus 4. This is equals to 2. Then we have 4 times 3. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 we can have 3. Then 3 times 1 we have 3. 3 times 2 here we have 6. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is, we have 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 we have minus 3. Then after we find the adjoint of the matrix A, We're using the 4 by 4 out of this. Then the next thing to do, we're going to find the inverse now. Since our determinant is 11, therefore we have the inverse of the matrix A is equals to 1 all over 11. This is equals to, open brackets, we put any number all over this 11. Here we have minus 11 all over 11, 0 all over 11. Then we have 11 all over 11, 11 divided by 11, 14 divided by 11, minus 1 divided by 11, minus 10 divided by 11. We have 2 divided by 11, 3 divided by 11, minus 3 divided by 11. We divide all the number in the adjoint of A by 11. Then the next thing to do, we have the inverse of matrix A is equals to, this is equals to 11 divided by 11. This is minus 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 14 minus 14 all divided by 11. This is minus 1 divided by 11. This is minus 10 divided by 11. This is 2 all over 11. This is 3 all over 11. Minus 3 all over 11. That is the inverse of matrix A. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.